Alright, so tell me now. Who's in here?
Larry.
Larry. And who's Larry to you?
Larry is my boyfriend.
So Larry sent you here for what?
To pick up a car that license insured in my name.
In your name. Okay, and what about the bike?
He sent me to pick it up to it is already licensed and insured in my name as well.
So where Larry work?
National Work Agency, I already tell you. He's
What him do there?
He is the manage. He manage everything, work, everything. He responds to all of the work. He manage all work in the Jamaica.
On the road and them thing there.
Road work, all work.
Okay. And where you live?
1.5 Great George Street, Alman Town.
And where your father live?
Steve Street.
What? We're in Stephen Street.
8 National Hero Circle.
Yeah, national. Okay. What is your name again?
Orrin Ellis, sir.
Orrin Ellis. You don't have any form of identification on you?
No, I don't work with any ID or anything, but if you need it, I'll go for it.
That's fine. Alright.
No lie.
Well, Larry tell you, well, Larry do to you?
Larry fuck me and tell me say it is forever, so I know say I'm not telling any lie on me. And him nah give, him nah do that. Me and him will be forever.
No, you see? Come here, I'm
you know that, my general.
Alright, Dada.
Look in your camera and tell you that.
Brother, now try to make it easy for you.
Larry.
What you wanted to know? What you wanted to know? You can't, we're not waiting here for Larry.
Yeah,
Larry not coming
Larry
here.
not coming.
We need to get the car.
You're not giving me a car, but Larry said no car dead
I'm fine, me seeing your head space and right, you
Dada,
know.
respect you, you're gone.
Your head space and right, hold it for me. Your head, something wrong with your head, and you need help.
General.
And if you get help, you're getting in trouble.
General.
Because we could have thought this man that they come here to rob the place.
No,
And it
I
could have
could
been
never
ugly.
do that, my boss. Never.
Right?
I
So
will
I think
never.
we need to find a family. Because we need
No,
to
you
get
don't
the
need to
help
find
you
my
need.
family. You don't need to
No,
find
we need to get help.